If your Yahoo Mail is not receiving emails, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can start seeing messages again. Whether the issue is with your connection, a hidden filter, spam settings, or a blocked sender, these quick checks can usually solve the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most basic thing first, your internet connection. If your connection is weak or unstable, Yahoo Mail may not refresh properly and new emails may not load at all. Open another website or app to make sure your internet is working normally. If needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, reconnect to your network, or restart your router. A stable connection is the foundation for everything else. Next, refresh Yahoo Mail. Sometimes the inbox just needs a quick reload to pull in new messages. On desktop, click the refresh icon or reload the page in your browser. On mobile, pull down to refresh the inbox. This simple step often fixes delayed email syncing immediately. Now check your spam folder. A lot of times, incoming emails are not actually missing. They've just been sorted into the wrong place. Open the spam folder and look for the message you expected to receive. If you find a legitimate email there, mark it as not spam, so Yahoo learns to trust that sender in the future. After that, check your trash folder as well. Sometimes emails may end up there if a rule or accidental deletion moved them out of the inbox. If you spot an important email in trash, restore it right away so it goes back to your inbox. The next thing to review is your email filters. Filters can automatically move, archive, or delete incoming messages before you ever see them. Go into Yahoo Mail settings and look for any filters that might be affecting your inbox. If you find unwanted or outdated filters, delete them or edit them so they no longer interfere with new emails. This is especially important if the problem started after you changed some settings recently. Now let's verify your blocked addresses list. If a sender has been blocked, Yahoo may prevent their emails from reaching your inbox at all. Open your blocked senders or security settings and check whether the address you're waiting for is on the list. If it is, remove it from blocked addresses and then ask the sender to resend the email. If you still are not receiving emails, double check the email address that others are sending to. Make sure they are using the correct Yahoo address and not an old or misspelled one. Even one wrong character can stop emails from arriving. It's also a good idea to check whether your inbox is full or close to storage limits. If your mailbox is overloaded, Yahoo may stop accepting new messages. Delete old emails, empty the trash and spam folders, and free up some space so new messages can come through normally. If you use Yahoo Mail on both your phone and a computer, make sure your account is signed in properly on all devices. Sometimes syncing issues happen if one device is outdated or disconnected. Signing out and back in can help refresh the account and correct any temporary syncing problems. Another helpful step is to test Yahoo Mail in a different browser or the Yahoo Mail app. If emails appear in one place but not another, the issue may be related to your browser cache, cookies, or an app glitch. Clearing cache or updating the app can often make the inbox start working again. If none of these steps solve the problem, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes email delays are temporary and caused by server-side issues or sender-side delays. But in most cases, checking your internet connection, refreshing Yahoo Mail, reviewing spam and trash, removing filters, and unblocking senders will solve the issue. So to recap, first, make sure your internet is working. Then, refresh Yahoo Mail, check spam and trash, review filters, and verify your blocked addresses list. These are the fastest ways to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving email. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.